Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys find my device setting, how to turn off in Realme phone device. Friends, you want to off your find my device setting, so how can you off? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we turn off find my device setting in Realme phone device. Guys, you don't want to use your find my device setting, so you can turn off if you want. So I will scroll it after on phone setting guys. Friends, you can see your password and security guys. Tap here and friends click on get the security, system security, and friends you can see second option find my device is on. So friends, you don't want to use your find my device setting, so friends you can off from here. So I will tap here to off find my device setting. So I find my device will off. So we cannot use guy find my device setting. So like that guy we can turn off find my device setting in our Realme phone device. So that's it guys, bye bye, thanks for watching the video guys.